Hello my robot friend, this is Malay again with another tutorial in UiPath, and this is the fourth installment of Excel automation. As I have told you before that we are going to see some filtering in Excel table. So for that we need to first take one Excel application scope within which we are going to do our activities. After taking the Excel application scope, I'm taking the file where we are going to do the filtering. Before we proceed any further, let me show you the file once so that you can understand how the file looks and what are the data we have. So in the Excel file, we have number 1 to 3 columns with some numbers below. And there are two sheets, one is sheet 1 and second one is sheet 2. And our purpose is to create a table, filter the data, and then take the data from sheet 1 to sheet 2. Okay, so let's close this file and dive into the process. In Excel application scope, we are going to create a table. So I have create table activity, I have taken it, and I'm going to give a name to the table. Let's say Ray. I am habituated to writing my surname, so Ray table. Okay, and then I'm taking range. It's saying we have not seen the range yet, so let me open the file once more to see the range of the file. So it's 1 to A1 to C12. Alright, so I'm just closing it, going to the UiPath and A1 to C12. That's the range of the table. Anything else we are missing from here in the properties? Nothing is missed. This create table will create the table, and then we are going to filter the table. So I'll write filter, and then I'll take filter table. In which sheet we are going to filter? Sheet 1, and the table name which we have created is Ray table, and then column in which we are going to do the filtering is suppose column 1, column name is number 1, and in the properties we have missed one field, that's filter option. In filter option we have to give the value to filter the table. And remember, in filter table it only takes string values, it doesn't take greater than, less than, or smaller than. So it's just filter the data with the value that we pass. Alright, so I'm keeping 200, and now I'm going to filter the table. But remember, this create table, once I have created, if I run this both second time, it will give me an error, because create table will create one table with this range. So second time when it will run, it will try to create the table in the same range, and it will find it's available there. So that time it's going to throw me an error. So I'm not going to run this board right now, because this topic I'm keeping it for the next advanced videos, how to handle the error. Let's not run this. Filter table I have taken. Now I'm going to copy this data into sheet 2. So I will write copy, and then I will take copy paste range. If I'm taking copy paste range and I'm going to the properties, I'm seeing it's saying source range. That means which range that we are going to copy. So instead of giving a source range here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the table name here. So my table name is Ray table. Alright, now in which cell I'm going to paste the output value. So I'm taking A1 cell where we are going to put the copied items, and destination sheet where we are going to put the value. So it's sheet 2 as I told you, and it's empty now. Okay, and copies item it's asking in the option, so it's all cell formats. Okay, if I keep the cell format, then what will happen, it will take the format of the table, but I'm going to just take the values. I'm not taking the format of the table. Now I'm going to run it. Before that, let me close the Excel file and run it and check two differences. I'm going to show you the difference in this and the next one. Okay, let's run this board, and I see that it's running. Excel application scope will open the file, create the table, filter the data, copy the data, and paste it in another Excel sheet. It seems like it's still running. Okay, it's open, filtered, as you can see, and it's copied I think, and it's going to paste it. File closed. but close. Okay, so the values are there. See, there is no format taken. See here, there are only values coming, no column name coming. Why isn't it? So let me close this. Let me delete it for once, the whole range, and let me unfilter it, save the file for once. Let's go to the file again, and as I told you, I cannot run this for the second time because the table is already created. So I'm just going to deactivate it for the moment, because I think you have already understood what was my purpose and why did I show you create table. And in the source range, instead of the range, I provided the table name, and when I am providing the table name, no column name is coming. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the column name as well. So for that, I'm going to take another activity called get table range. Before the copy paste range, I'm keeping this activity which is going to take the range of the table, which is array table, okay, which is array table, and in the properties, the output is in the range. I'm taking one variable, say array table variable, array table range, okay, array range, okay, where the table range will be stored. And here in the copy paste, what I'm going to do, I'm passing that array range here, pressing OK, and now I'm going to run it, and you can see the difference in passing the table name and difference in passing range. Okay, so both is running. I hope it's going to end the process soon and our curiosity will be over. Okay, so it's running, closed. Okay, let me go back and see if we have done something wrong. Absolutely no. Okay, so now we can see that column names are coming as well as the values 200. You know what, I didn't know that there is 200 in the table. There will be more in filtering next tutorial. More I go to the advanced topic, less my videos will be. Instead of 2, I'll be uploading 1 only in a week, so that may be later stage. So like it, share it, and subscribe. Enjoy, have a nice life. Bye bye for now.